All right, guys, we're out here. We're doing some night catfishing as usual. That's 6 ounces eggs, two 3-ounce egg sinkers with a modified knocker rig, and that's a 8/0 Nocturnal Nation Raptor hook. So I got my Cut-Carp right here ready. I'll be using 4 rods too. I'll put that carp head on there, but that's what I'll be using. The 8/0 Nocturnal Nation Raptor hooks are awesome. That's a tack I'll be running tonight, and that stuff's awesome. I'll get all these other rods baited up and see what we can do tonight. It's a nice calm, I think it's like 63 degrees right now, so it's an awesome night. So I'll get these rods baited up and quit talking. All right, there's that midsection of the cart right there. That's a good chunk too. Oh yeah. This is a good one. He hammered the hell out of it. Oh yeah. Dang. Yeah, this is a good one. Holy crap. Where the hell? Oh my gosh. Where the heck is he taking me? He freaking tangled up all my freaking lines. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is a big one. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Dang. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, big man. Gosh. Let me see if I can reel up this other one. He is freaking. Dang. Holy crap. Oh, no kidding. Oh, crap. Dude, this one is freaking huge. Crap. He went. Yeah, that's a good one. I just saw him. 10 at least. Freaking. Freaking hell. Oh my gosh. He hammered the freaking heck out of this. Oh my gosh. I'm shaking. Oh. Holy sh. Shoot. Dang. I don't know how big this one is. This one's freaking heavy though. Unless I'm just a weakling for some reason today. And I highly freaking doubt that. Freaking hell. Oh my gosh. I'm shaking, guys. I'm freaking shaking. Oh. Oh. I am freaking shaking. Dude, this is a monster. Oh my goodness. Oh man. This is a freaking monster, dude. Oh, y'all give me a second. Freaking heck, man. And I didn't even have my rods casted messed up. He freaking went all over the freaking place. Y'all give me a second, guys. I'm shaking. I'm on the bank now because I gotta weigh them. Look at that. Dang, look at this freaking monster. That's Nocturnal Nation raptor hook right there. Cut-Carp. This is a beast. Yeah, guys, this wind picked up big time. Kind of sucks. So I'm going to call it a day, and I guess I'll go and put that channel cat in the record book again. But yeah, I can't complain at all though, man, for real. One fish and I broke my personal best, and I broke my record here again. So I'll put that one in the record books. I'll call them tomorrow and get all the paperwork filled out. Well, not tomorrow, but in a few hours. It'll be sunrise, so that'll be good. All right, this is 15 pounds, 4 ounces. The inland fisheries couldn't come out to get it the certified weight on it, and that sucks. So I'm just gonna, they told me to hold on to them until tomorrow or the next day, but nah, I'm just gonna let them go, man, because I don't want this fish to die. I'd rather have them live. I'd rather have the fish live and have a record than it die and have a record. I care more about the fish living than me being in the book. So, man, look at that. That was a great fight last night, though. But I wish. But yeah, that's my personal best now. 15 pounds, 4 ounces. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a great one right there. But, alright, time to let you go, man. Where you want to go, right? That mouth. Ah, that's a good one. Alright. Yep. I know, man. You ready, man?
Yep.
You got it? Yep, he really wants to go. Alright, man, there you go. Go back to doing whatever you're doing last night.
There he goes.
Hopefully I catch his big brother or his dad. Alright, that'll do it for this video. That's the only one I caught last night. So, appreciate y'all watching. We'll see y'all again next time. Thank y'all.